In this tutorial, we'll learn how we can use an Excel datasheet to quickly and efficiently upload PDFs to static PDF products en masse. This functionality ensures that all products requiring a PDF can have it assigned in the shortest possible time without having to individually upload PDFs to each product. Whilst we will focus on PDFs and static PDF products in this tutorial, the same methodology also applies to Mega Edit products, where a MEX file from Infigo Invent can be used in the place of a PDF file. We're going to begin by navigating to an area of our Infigo admin called Upload Folders. This functionality relies on the PDFs being available within the Infigo system, and we can accomplish this by using an area named Upload Folders, which allows us to upload files to the system en masse. If you can't access the Upload Folders area, it may need to be granted permission from our side. So please contact customer support, who will be happy to help. So in this page, you can see I've already got a few sample upload folders created, or I can create a new upload location. Fill in the required information and then press Insert. Now, in my case, I've got one already set up as an example. So I'm going to utilize my sample PDF upload. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Manage. And that will take me to the actual contents of that upload folder. And all we want to do is either click on Upload or simply drag and drop files into this folder. You can also create subdirectories if required using the New Folder icon. So I have a folder open here with a couple of PDFs. I'm just going to drag and drop those into our upload folder. Next, we're going to obtain the template required for our product Excel sheet. And this can be done from within Product Management. We see we've got our full list of products that are available on our storefront, and I'm going to click on Export to Excel. This will give us a full list of details for each product already listed on the storefront. We can perform two tasks using this sheet. We can either modify existing products or detail new products by adding new line entries. So once that's ready, I can click on the download button that appears in the pop-up. And then launch that sheet. Okay, so as I mentioned, we can just modify existing products, or we can just utilize the format of this data sheet and then add new lines in here to create new products. You don't need to have all of the products listed in here. It's not as if once we re-import this, if it's missing products, it's not going to delete them from your system. It just will not touch them. So I've got an alternate sample sheet here, where I've utilized the same format, but just added a few new rows to detail some of our additional products that we want to add. Now, we want to make sure that this is a relevant product for uploading a PDF. So the first thing we need to make sure is that the products are set to static PDF under the product type column. And that will ensure that they are the correct product type. If you're adding new products which don't already exist in the system, you can leave the product ID column, which is column A, blank. This is the unique identifier for any product and will be generated automatically when you import the Excel sheet. So with this done, we need to actually add a new column at the end of this sheet to handle the uploaded PDF. So add an additional column titled Product Assets at the end of the Excel sheet. This column will be populated with the exact name of the PDF files in the upload folder and should include the .pdf extension. So here, for example, we've got 1.pdf, 2.pdf, and so on. Make sure that's saved, and then I'm going to head back into Infigo. And now we're going to re-import that Excel sheet. So back to my product management screen, import from Excel. Choose the Excel file that we wish to upload. And then we need to select the relevant upload location. So from within the upload location setting here, select the relevant upload folder that we've uploaded our PDFs to. Please do note that there are some additional columns and additional things that can be included in those specialist columns. So if you're looking to do something more advanced with this import functionality, please take a look at the information that's listed on the screen here. Once everything's been done, click on Import from Excel. That will go ahead and create those products for us and will automatically assign those PDFs to those products. So I'm just going to filter down this list of products. I think I named mine PDF. We can see here the latest ones that we imported. So based on my datasheet, I asked it to create products 16 to 20, brand new. You can see those have been created, and we've got an image associated with them, which does suggest that the PDF has been included. I can double check this by clicking on static PDF, and then I'll be able to download the PDF that's associated with that product. Okay, so let's quickly navigate back to upload folders and then click on manage next to the same upload folder that we utilized a moment ago. Now you will see that the upload folder is now empty. Once utilized by the Excel import, the PDFs are removed from the upload folder. So ready for the next batch should you need to use them.